What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again. I'm here with my guy Nate here at the Chevy dealership. We at Sarah in Southfield. In today's video, we're going to show you all how to order a vehicle. So I get this question a lot, and this is where I ordered my Camaro from. We'll get to that later on another video, but I ordered my ZL1 with Nate here, and he's going to help me go over the process of what it takes to order a vehicle. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and let's jump into it. Alright, so first things first, what Nate had me do when I was here before, we went to Chevrolet.com and we pulled up the Camaro configurator, and I literally just built it as I wanted the Camaro. So the Chevy's dealership, I configured my Camaro to what I want. ZL1, manual, red seat belts. Well, I ain't gonna give y'all everything. We'll get back to that when the car gets here because I changed up something. But that's what we did. He printed out the paper, went to the back. And then from that point on, I had to handle some paperwork. So that paperwork was a deposit, and it varies from place to place. But here is $1,000 deposit, and we have to do a credit app to make sure you're serious. Because some other places it's just $500 and that's it. But to make sure we're serious, credit app, $1,000 deposit. So that's what we did, and that got me entered into the system. And through COVID, things are taking longer to do. But that's just where we're at right now. So now,
right here, if you want to show them Q, this is I want to show y'all everything. This is the configurator that we came up with. This is everything kind of that he got, and you see we got correct and we checked everything off. So his order is in production, but that's what it looked like when it came off of the computer.
Yes, sir. And so now we're about to talk over the GM code or the Chevy codes for each process of the steps. So did you want to go over this, or I can go over
either one, bro?
Okay.
So you got that there. That's just, so that is not to Q's vehicle. That's to a vehicle that's already here. And you can see all of the event codes. So it starts at like 3,000 and gets up to like 5,000. So you got, accepted by production control, broadcast. Right here is when they start building it, production. And then you see the other add-ons available to ship, original invoice, real wrap, upload, shipped, and finally delivered to dealer. And then over here is Q's actual process where he's at right now. So he is at 3,400, so they are building his as we speak. And as it gets closer to dealership, I'll keep them updated.
Yeah, so a lot of you guys have been asking me, where's the Camaro? Where's the Camaro? Like, it's out there. It's getting built. It just takes time. This parts are short, so it's going to take longer than what it normally would. Normally it would be 6 to 8 weeks, but with the part shortage, it's just longer. So that's where we are now. And I'm going to put all the information on the screen so you guys can read it, and when you order your car, you will know. But also, we were just talking, if you want a Z06, I'm hearing the wait list is like 7 years now, and you got to put down a $5,000 deposit. You don't get to customize that at all right now, so that comes later. So $5 grand down, yeah, I wish, if only. But yeah, that's what it takes to order a vehicle. So, and mine started getting built 11 days ago. Today is like December 21st, so December 10th, was it?
Yep.
Okay, yep. So 11 days ago. So we're in the beginning phases. So hopefully we'll see something soon. And make sure you guys check out Nate. So Nate, give him your information here.
Oh man, what is this, like our third video, bro? They should know by now.
Right.
But, I'm in Southfield, Michigan, right off Telegraph, right before 12 Mile at Sarah Chevrolet in Southfield. Feel free to come up, ask any questions. Ask me, I'm always here. And like I said, this is me and Q's third vehicle. We did 2 Blazers and now a Camaro. Yep. So this is my boy at this point.
Right. We friends, we family now.
Right.
Yep. top seller up in here, man. We about to go for that title this year.
Yes,
so.
yeah. It's pretty locked in. It's pretty sold up this year, so I'm excited about it.
Oh yeah, got the title. Yeah. So that's it. What it takes to order. Let me go over this in detail with the numbers. All right. So there's 11 steps in the process to getting the car built. So I'm going to go by these GM codes. I'm going to read it to you because what's the point of reading the video or watching the video if you got to read it yourself? So that's what I'm here for. So first step, and that's the event code 3000. That's accepted by production control, and it took me a minute to get to that step. So then 3100 is available to sequence, 3300 scheduled for production, 3400 is broadcast, 3800 produced, 4000 available to ship, 4120 is internal invoice, 4150 original invoice, 4800 rail ramp unload, 4200 shipped, 5000 the final step delivered to dealer. So that's the steps. And for my order, so on November 16th, that's when the order was accepted. So 3100 was November 24th. Scheduled for production was December 9th. And the broadcast, which when they started to build it, was December 10th. So that's where we are. We're going to the 5th step now. So that's where we are, folks. And that's what it takes. That's the update on my ZL1. Shout out to Nate for taking time out of his day.
Always, man. I'm always up here for you, Q. You know that.
Oh, yeah. Very helpful. And I'm up here with the Blazer, my least favorite car at the house. But it's a great vehicle. It's just not, I don't like SUVs. So
right.
Here getting an oil change.
ZL1, right.
Right. It does the job. It's my Camaro SUV. It's the wife's, but it's a great one. Nate helped us pick a great spec, great color, nicely optioned. Actually, it's almost fully loaded.
Yeah.
Double sunroof.
At RS.
Yep.
Nice car.
Yep. So, thanks for checking us out this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll check you all out on the next video. Peace out. All right, just leaving the dealership now. A couple hours later, got the oil changed. I'm gonna give a special shout out to Nate, taking the time out his day to help me along with this video, because I had no idea what the status on my Camaro would be. Now honestly, I wasn't that I didn't care that much, but I got a lot of questions about it, so I figured I'll update you all on it, and that way I'll have a better clue on when the Camaro will be here. Still don't know exactly when, but it's being built. I think the fastest will be 6 to 8 weeks from here, but I'm still going to give it like 2 to 3 months before the Camaro is finally built and delivered here. So along with that, I think it's a great idea to order right now as opposed to buying what's on the lot, because there's a lot of cars and a lot of new vehicles are selling for over MSRP. And the benefit to ordering your own vehicle is that you can get it for MSRP, which is great for right now. And me, I get those discounts, so that helps out. That helps me out a whole lot. So shout out to Nate for that. Ordering the vehicle, that's the way I would go. New vehicles right now, especially if it's slightly used, like just go new, because you're probably going to pay more for a slightly used vehicle than the actual new vehicle. And some cars out here have rebates and things on them, so you can get a better deal with the new vehicle. Race Car Friends actually talked about that in this video a couple uploads ago, about how to save money when you get in a new car. And this is it, ordering it. It's gonna take a while, but like, I'm not in a rush, and if you aren't in a rush, then you can do it. But also out here they have a bunch of cars on the lot. I haven't seen this many cars on the lot in a while. They have about 60 cars on the lot here. Because at the Ford dealership, when I dropped my Mustang off for service, it was like 5 cars on the lot. Well, there was a few used cars, but the new side, it was just empty. But they got some inventory here. They got a lot of cars here. This is a huge dealership. Like, look how big this dealership is. This is a more modern one. And those flags are giant. I don't know if it'll even make sense in the camera, but these flags are huge. Shout out to Nate. I'm going to link him down in the description below. If you got to get a car, order it, because you'll save some money. See my Blazer twin right there? And that's what I'm doing with the Camaro. So it's a dealership like maybe 10 minutes from here. They're selling the new ZL1 in the vivid orange. It's a regular ZL1. It's stickers at like 60, maybe I think 68. And they're selling it for $86,000 for a regular ZL1. And that makes me cringe. I'm not doing that. No. I'll wait. But yeah, that's my wrap up. Ordering the car is easy. Just build it on the configurator. But that Chevy, I haven't ordered a vehicle through another manufacturer. Actually, that might be something I do soon. That's how it is at Chevy. These are all internal to Chevy. Other manufacturers might use the same codes, but I don't know. But that's what they got here. I got you guys an inside scoop on what those codes are, what it means, where I'm at on my order. So that's that. All right, guys, Q here checking out.